Statistics from the International Monetary Fund estimates that global economic growth will contract from around 3% to 2.4% as a result of the pandemic. Nigeria, like other nations of the world, has been finding ways of stimulating the economy through diverse stimulus packages. Only recently, the central bank announced a 1 trillion naira stimulus package to the manufacturing, healthcare sector, as well as households, all in a bid to get the economy afloat. The Monetary Policy Committee meeting for May focused on how the pandemic has impacted the nation's economy and how gradual easing of the economy will go a long way to address a recession.
The positive but lower growth observed during the first quarter of 2020 is expected to dip slightly on the back of the combined monetary and fiscal stimulus by the monetary and fiscal authorities to ensure that growth at this time is supported to avoid a recession.
The committee also recommends the full implementation of the revised 2020 appropriation bill and the medium-term expenditure framework.
The MPC have praised the federal government's resolve to maintain the core, its spending plans for 2020, as this remained vital for the attainment of the much-needed economic recovery. It also applauded the government's efforts at revising the oil price benchmark downwards to reflect prevailing conditions. It reiterated the urgent need for government to improve tax collections through a gradual but purposeful diversification of the economy's revenue base. The committee also urged government to remain focused on the implementation of the revised 2020 to 2022 medium-term expenditure framework as the basis for sustainable fiscal policy.
In spite of all of these recommendations, however, the Monetary Policy Committee believes that the current downturn in the economy posed by the COVID-19 pandemic offers a great opportunity for economic diversification.